Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I make extreme half cast lotion at home. This lotion will lighten you in little less than 7 days. Here I have all my instruments that I'll be using and my ingredients. I already sterilized my bowls and everything I'll be using for this recipe. Now if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe, hit on the notification bell so you can be updated with every new video I make, and give this video a like. So guys, before starting any mixture at home, you have to wash your hands. Please make sure everything is sterilized. You could wash your hands or use your hand gloves for this mixture so that your cream doesn't go bad. Here I will be starting off with my main ingredient, which is my base cream. I'll be needing half a cup of my lightning base cream. You could also use any lightning base cream of your choice. Also, I'll be needing my whitening powders, which are already dissolved with rose water. I'll be making a video on that. And my oils, which are already mixed up. Here I have my rose water, which I used to dissolve my whitening powders. I'll also be adding Nano strong whitening serum and also a Gluthathione strong whitening serum. These are all natural organic whiteners. Kenacol oil designed to even skin tone, and my Argan oil, which acts as a good moisturizer repairing the skin. This is tea tree essential oil, acts as anti-inflammatory ingredients to treat acne and helps smooth the skin. I'll also be adding lemon essential oil. It's a natural bleaching agent. Here I also have my Vitamin E oil, helps fight anti-aging, wrinkle, and moisturizes the skin. It's also a good lightener. To this mixture, you could also add repair creams. I will be adding my Miracle Derm cream, which is very good for stretch marks, spots, hyperpigmentation on the skin. I will also be adding my Snow White powder. It's a natural whitening powder for skin pigmentation and also whitens the skin. I already mixed with my other whitening powders. So guys, now it's time for mixing. Here I will be mixing in all my whitening powders, which are already dissolved in this bowl. I'll be making a tutorial on that in my next video, and also adding my essential oils, which are already mixed up also in another bowl. You turn the mixture together, stir very well until the consistency is creamy and there are no more lumps on your mixture. Mix very well, and you could also add more essential oils if you want more effective results. For the final step guys, you need a clean container to store your mixture. If you are looking for a lotion to give you 2 or 3 shades lighter in less than 7 days, this is the way to go guys. Just do this recipe at home. Use it morning and evening for 7 days and you will see results. So guys, thank you so much for watching. It was a pleasure having you here today. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a